Welcome to Linux Help, how to install LiteCart on Debian 12. LiteCart's on-demand design framework makes the platform super fast. Once you access a node, LiteCart will automatically load only the necessary PHP files into the system. The system nodes are static classes. They are accessed by simply typing nodename method or nodename $variable. Check the OS version by using following command. Install the required packages and modules by using following command. Log into the MySQL by using following command. Create database by using following command. Create MySQL user by using following command. Grant privileges to the user by using following command. Refresh the privileges by using following command. Exit the MySQL console by using following command. Download the LiteCart zip file by using following command. Extract the zip file by using following command. Move the directory to Apache document root location by using following command. Make the ownership by using following command. Make permission by using following command. Make the virtual host by using following command. Disable the default virtual host by using following command. Enable the virtual host by using following command. Enable the rewrite module by using following command. Restart the Apache web browser by using following command. Go to the browser and search the domain. Fill up the details and enable terms and conditions and click Install. LiteCart installation process completed. This is the steps to install LiteCart on Debian 12.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.